This video is on how to learn difficult subjects, a guide to learning how to learn. How to learn difficult subjects when you just don't get it. When trying to learn a new subject that you know almost nothing about and new big words and concepts are constantly being introduced, what do? How can you possibly learn the material and pass the exams when you feel confused, frustrated, and stressed? Strategies to make learning easier and more efficient. Let's talk about 4 strategies for better learning. 1. Build on your own knowledge base. 2. Put definitions and concepts into your own words. 3. Group topics, concepts, and key terms and words together using a model like mapping or flowcharts. 4. Practice breaking down big words into smaller parts. Build on your own knowledge base. Everybody knows something, but not everyone knows the same stuff. You know more than you think you do. You live in a community, raise kids, buy all the things you need, probably have a bank account, go to an educational institute of higher learning where you adhere to rules, pay tuition, and interact with others on a daily basis. Build your own knowledge base. Let's pick the topic of economics. Did you know more about economics than you think you do? You live in a household. You buy goods and services from private businesses. You use government services, some paid, some free. Put definitions and concepts in your own words. You can try to memorize new words, concepts, and definitions, but you won't gain full understanding until you own the information. A very effective method that leads to understanding is to put definitions and concepts into your own words so they make sense to you. Group topics, concepts, and key terms together using a model like mapping. Here's an example of macroeconomic policies where all related topics are linked to the main idea. How to deal with big words. Big words are everywhere in certain fields of education and business, but if you look closely at a word, the definition is often in the word itself. Break those big words down into smaller parts and find the meaning of each part. Let's look at these 2 words, microeconomics and macroeconomics. Micro means small, macro means large. Eco means environment or natural habitat. Nomics means having a general force of natural law. This strategy works with almost any big word. Study tips for reading textbooks. Scan the headings, subheadings, and illustrations of the chapter first. Take a moment to determine what the chapter is going to be about. Create conceptual chunks of information. Put topics and information into small subgroups rather than one big group. Pause, recall, and reflect. After you've read a page or solved a problem, take a moment to process what you have learned. Use simple analogies or comparisons to make concepts memorable. Connect what you are learning to other things you already know. This will help you understand and retain what you are learning. Space your studies and your practice. Your brain is like a muscle that needs alternating periods of exercise and recovery to process new information and ideas. Review. 4 strategies to make learning easier and more efficient. 1. Build on your own knowledge base. 2. Put definitions and concepts into your own words. 3. Group topics, concepts, and key terms and words together using a model like mapping or flowcharts. 4. Practice breaking down big words into smaller parts. References. Thank you.